ByteDance just changed the game again. Meet Trey Agent. Not your average chatbot, not just another AI code assistant. This thing takes your plain English tasks, jumps right into your system, and gets to work like a real autonomous teammate. No clicking around, no complicated setups. Trey Agent searches huge code bases, edits files, runs tests, and reports results straight from your terminal. And the best part? It's open source and available on GitHub right now for anyone to try, hack, or improve. So what makes Trey tick? It's a combination of smart tools working together. First up, its built-in code editor can open, create, and rewrite files without getting tripped up by tricky folders or file paths, something older AI tools still struggle with. Then there's the bash shell. Trey can run real commands like compiling code or running test suites just like a human developer would. Plus, it streams results back in real time, so you're not waiting around for a massive error dump at the end. Here's where it gets really interesting. Trey has its own mini reasoning engine. When tasks get complicated, it breaks them down into small steps, runs checks, and repeats until the job's done. Basically, it handles the boring, repetitive stuff that eats up your afternoons. And because Trey maps out your entire codebase, classes, functions, files, it doesn't waste time searching line by line. It heads straight to the problem, whether that's a forgotten setting or a buried helper function from years ago. While Trey is working, another tool called Lakeview keeps you updated. It watches every move the agent makes and writes simple one-sentence updates in plain English. No technical jargon, no walls of text, just clean, easy-to-follow summaries. And if you're wondering about AI models, Trey supports them all. GPT-4o from OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, Gemini Pro from Google, and more. Switching between models is easy. Just add a couple of flags in your command. So if one service slows down or gets expensive, you can swap it out instantly. No need to rewrite your whole setup. And guess what? You don't need a full DevOps playbook to get started. Just clone the repo, run a setup command, add your API keys, and you're ready to roll. Everything's customizable. Want more creative answers? Increase the temperature setting. Need longer responses? Raise the token limit. And the command line shows you exactly which setting is active. No guessing. Want a more conversational experience? Trey has an interactive chat mode where you can set goals, pause to check progress, or redirect it to another task, kind of like guiding a super fast junior developer who never gets tired. Even though Trey is still in alpha, it's already topping industry benchmarks like SWE Bench, where it automatically fixes real bugs in public GitHub projects. No human hints, just solid reasoning and fast execution. Now picture this, it's 2 a.m., a production bug hits. Normally you dig through logs, fix the bug, wait for CI, and push a fix. But with Trey, most of that gets handled for you. It finds the error, writes the patch, runs the tests, and drafts the pull request. All you have to do is review the diff and hit approve. Over time, that efficiency means less stress for your dev team and real savings on engineering hours. This isn't just a one-off project. ByteDance is shifting from consumer apps like TikTok to serious productivity platforms. Trey is part of a bigger AI-powered development environment built on top of VS Code, offering free access to models that others charge for, hoping to build a massive developer community early. With AI spending set to skyrocket by 2027, capturing developers now is a smart long-term bet. While competitors like GitHub Copilot and Cursor promise speed, Trey focuses on transparency. Every AI prompt, every action, and every tool call can be logged. Great for security audits, research comparisons, and teaching moments. ByteDance even gave Trey an MIT license, making it open and free for commercial use without legal headaches. They credit Anthropic for inspiring parts of the project, proof that the AI community still thrives on collaboration, even between rivals. Looking ahead, Trey's team plans to add more AI models, tighter CI/CD integrations, and better agent testing. They're also working on context sharing between tools, meaning Trey could team up with documentation bots or security scanners in the future, passing just the right data, not your whole code base. After seeing what Trey can do, it's clear ByteDance isn't just chasing trends. They're rethinking how software gets built, giving developers a powerful bridge between human ideas and machine action. If you've ever pulled an all-nighter fixing a bug, or wished your code could just fix itself, Trey Agent is absolutely worth checking out. So what's your take? Game-changing innovation or just another dev tool? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on AI, robotics, and the future of software development, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.